What's up, guys? Today I have another Table Talk episode, and this one is going to be about the future of wireless internet. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's in store. Now, you guys probably haven't noticed yet, but I do have two cameras set up, so I can talk to this camera right here, or I can talk to that camera right there. So, I just got my second tripod, as you saw in the unboxing. So, yeah, now I will be having this sort of setup. I'll be playing with the angles, and we'll see what works best. So, as I said, this episode is going to be about the future of Wi-Fi, and my thoughts are it's going to be everywhere in the future. It's going to be a part of everyday life, and people will eventually, take it for granted, and it'll just eventually develop into a worldwide thing. So essentially, what we have right now is the wireless router and the modem that we have to have if we want really fast wireless internet, or we can use the 4G boxes that people have now, or the cell phone companies have, or we can use the 4G just directly on our iPods, iPhones, Android cell phones, all of those. So we can basically use 4G, or we can use the Wi-Fi at home. Soon enough, I think they will eventually make it so that 4G speeds will go up to like 8G, 9, I don't know, really high speed, and it'll basically just be like home internet right now. But they will just go beyond that. I think they'll keep going and make it even faster, and it'll eventually just be like home internet around the world. And maybe you'll have some sort of box, kind of like a router, and it'll be kind of portable. It'll have like a super long lasting battery at that point, and maybe they'll make it so that you can like charge it, a rechargeable battery, or maybe they'll make it interchangeable batteries, something like that along those lines. And they will make it so that you can just carry it around. You won't have to carry around a cell phone. You could have a laptop that could connect to that box or something along those lines. Now, the advantage of having a box as your internet is because you can add security to that box, and that's what a lot of home internet routers use now. But instead of that router staying in one spot, like I said, you'll be able to move it, and it'll keep the security, whatever you put on it, a password, maybe some sort of security question. I'm not exactly sure what they'll make, but it will be quite an invention when it comes out. Now, like I said, a lot of cell phone companies have been working on this. AT&T is coming out with 4G. Verizon's already got 4G. Sprint got 4G already a long time ago. And, a lot of cell phone companies will be adding to that as well. So I'm curious to see what you guys think about this. Maybe you guys can leave a comment down below on what company you think will make this first, or maybe they will make a whole separate company dedicated to making just Wi-Fi towers, something along those lines. And, they won't give cell phone service, but they'll only give Wi-Fi service. Now, in parts of Michigan, where I used to live, they were actually trying to develop this idea, and it never came true because it's not a practical idea yet. You can't just give internet to people. They were thinking of making it free, but they couldn't because of cost reasons, obviously. So like I said, this is a developing idea, and I'm just kind of rambling on now. In these Table Talk episodes, I basically just give out all my thoughts on this, kind of jumbled together, whatever's going on in my head, I just throw out there. So, this might not seem too organized in any way, but that's just how these are going to be. So go ahead, like I said, and leave a comment down below on what company you think might make this first, if a new company will come out, or, how fast they might get up to, something like that. Any comment really works, guys. And go ahead and like the video as well if you like it or it helped you in any way, because I don't want you guys to like my video just because I tell you to, because that's not the point of liking it, is it? And if you want, you can also click subscribe at the top, Or if you're using Cosmic Panda, now subscribe, you have to go to my channel right below this video here and then click subscribe at the top on my channel page. So either way, go ahead and click subscribe if you want. You will get updates on my videos on your YouTube homepage and you know, other things like that. Very, very beneficial. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace.